Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Crossblog X TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to always check the notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about the beautiful coin, one of the beautiful coins in the palace. I like two of them. Yeah. Have you people noticed recently that Olori Ashley and Olori Aderonke, they are kind of closed, as in one close gan, and then it man lọ sí ìjáde. The king is going out to perform some rituals or wherever, or láti appease God. Kì í rí àwọn olórí yòókù. We rarely even see the other oloris. It's only Olori Ashley and Olori Aderonke. My question now is, drop your comment down below. Is it because Olori Aderonke is the daughter of the soil, and is it because Olori Ashley too is the daughter of the soil? Is it because of that Ooni of Ife, Oba Ojaja second, is always taking them out to perform all those rituals? Number one, do we notice that in the Obatala festival period, the other Oloris were not there? It was just Olori Ashley and Olori Aderonke that was there. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Please drop a comment down below. Did you guys notice? And then after the Obatala one, they had another one again that it was still same Olori Ashley and Olori Aderonke. Around other Olori. Then there was another one again where the when Olori Ashley was talking to the elders in the maybe in the palace or something, and they were hailing her. She was, she was praising her husband. It was just Olori Ashley and Olori Aderonke. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Is it that the other Oloris, is it because they are Christians, they don't want to cross their boundaries, or is it that is Olori Ashley alone and Olori Aderonke that will be performing all those rites? Because kò yé wa, I understand. Because I remember when Queen Naomi Shilekonla was at the palace, a lot of people were criticizing her that a prophetess getting married to a king, not even an ordinary king, Odua, Ooni of Ife, that how would she do that? Now, let's talk about the other Oloris that are Christian now. Now we don't see them when they're doing all these festivals like Obatala and Co. The main rituals. We don't see them. So why are people not castigating them? Why are people not saying things about them? Or is it that Queen Naomi Shilekola just committed an offense because she married on, or what offense has she committed? We are all human. I think people just don't like this lady, because now you people didn't talk about the other Oloris. We didn't see them in the Obatala festival. Are they scared? Are they not married to Ooni of Ife? Are they not one of the Oloris? Please drop a comment down below. What do you think? Are they not one of the Olori? Likes of they called Olori Mariam Yeyelua. We don't even see Yeyelua in Obatala festival. We didn't see her in the after party. Where is she? Because we don't even understand now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, drop a comment. Everything about tradition has really changed. It's like want to your con, want to your own con, won't have that con. But my question is, please answer my question. Please drop a comment down below. If you are called the Yeyelua, there shouldn't be boundaries, isn't it? There should be things that you'll be doing, or maybe she's doing it back of the camera we are not seeing. A real Yeyelua, I'm sure she has duties here that she'll be performing. Then honorary Yeyelua, tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kàn fi decorate láàfin ni, she'll just be there parading up and down as Yeyelua, because Yeyelua is a very strong name. Because I remember way back then when the previous Oba was there, they took all these things, all this tradition very serious. What's going on in our society now? Is it that the tradition has been changed? Is it that they've removed some things to add some things? Because we don't even see the Olori. Let me bring in this our late king, Alaafin of Oyo. If Alaafin is going to anywhere, all his wives, beautiful Oloris, gbogbo wọn ló máa ń wà ńbẹ̀, gbogbo wọn ló máa ń line up. I don't know why our Oba Ojaja's own is different. That any occasions, if he wants to go to occasion, wọ́n ní olórí tó láti lọ. I don't understand. Ṣé kò ní sí ìkùnsínú láàrin àwọn olórí yẹn? Would they not be left out? Would they not be feeling inferior, like they're just figurehead? Please drop your comment. I don't think all is well with those oloris. because you that you know you want to marry a king, not ordinary king, oh, Ooni of Ife. You should be ready that what you are going through, what you will go through, because you know that it's not possible for him to marry just one woman. Enough. Ó ṣì máa máa fẹ́yàwó sí. So how will those Oloris be happy? The only thing we just see that they come online, make up, well dressed. We see them, they're happy, but we don't know what they're going through. But we all see them with the pancake. They look fine, beautiful, radiant in the clothes they wear, but we don't know what's going on in their mind. And social media, fake love. 1,000 people will wish you, I like you, Olori, my, but inside them, it might be even three that loves you genuinely. I pray for all these Olori to find peace, so because I can imagine what all they will be going through. But it is well. We the online in-laws, we can only analyze and as we know now our own job to anything wey we hear may bring and come. Thank you so much for your likes and share. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please don't forget to always check the notification button. Take care. Bye.